welcome to the Live Happy label. I am launching a line of notepads. I want to get these repacked up. I want to add a sticker. These are just the weekly planners. Absolutely love them. They're gonna look like this with a sticker in the corner. And then I also got all of our to-do lists, which are all right here. I'm documenting the process of starting my small business, and I'm bringing you along with me. Today we have packaging up all the things on the to-do list. We've got a lot to do this week with launch happening this Saturday, and I'm so happy that you've tuned in. So let's get started. Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I almost want to say welcome to the Live Happy label. Studio vlog is what is happening today. I am just going to take you around, and I'm going to start a series. To be really honest, I feel like this might just be for me. It might be something that I want to look into or look back on, you know, maybe months or years down the road and be like, look where we started. If you recognize behind me, it is my bedroom. We have a new edition of this table right here. Let me show you what's on it. I am launching a line of notepads. This is the shopping list. If you've been around my channel for a while, you've seen these in part of our vlog, and you know this is coming. But this portion of my channel is going to be all about the small business owner lifestyle, what we're doing. Right now, it is a weekend, and this is how I am going to spend it. So what I'm doing here is we've got shopping lists that I have actually already packed. All of our shopping lists come with a magnet. However, not everybody uses a magnet. I do not, but I know a lot of people do, so I wanted to have that as an option. So I've got it in the back here. But what I decided was I wanted to put one of these stickers on the back, and I've already packed up all of these. I'm unpacking them. If the bags are reusable, but if I can't get them and use them perfectly, then we're just gonna sacrifice the first few bags that I've already done. But I wanna get these repacked up. I wanna add a sticker to it. So that is thing number one. Also, I'm watching 48 Hours, which is why this situation, I'm gonna sit on the edge of the bed. It's gonna be nice and comfortable. I've got a garbage can here for any of the trash from the back of the stickers. This is my process. This is the assembly line. Now, we got those notepads a couple weeks ago. What I just received a few days ago are our weekly notepads. So these are just the weekly planners. Absolutely love them. So I have got to put those in their corresponding reusable bags here. So they basically are gonna look like this with a sticker in the corner. And then I also got all of our to-do lists, which are all right here, which I'm going to get in their bags too. So we got a lot of kind of prep work today. This week, the game plan is to launch the notepad line. So I have a lot to do this week, not to mention that I need to get regular videos up as well, which means I need to do some cleaning, some organization. Those things are absolutely coming here on the channel. So I've got to get this type of stuff done, this small business ownership type thing. Like, these things need to get done this weekend, because my hope is that we are going to launch on April 15th, that's Saturday, so it's a week away, at 2 p.m. Central Time. Where that's going to be, whether or not it's going to be on our website, or if I'm just gonna keep everything in the Etsy shop, because right now we have the downloadables, the printables of the shopping list, the daily to-do list, and the weekly planner page. All of those are available for downloadables, printables right now. So the notepads, I am hoping to get them onto a website. That's what we're doing on Monday. So today I want to kind of do this prep work so we're ready, and this part of everything is done. I am so excited for this launch, like Christmas Day for me, just because want to get these out into your hands. The downloadables are awesome. Like you being able to print it up immediately is super cool for sure. But to actually get a physical product in your hands, I cannot wait. So this is all step one. The notepad line is one part of my big picture goals of having an actual planner, which will be towards the end of the year, possibly even next year if we can't swing it this year. It's a goal that I have that I'm hoping we're gonna get done this year, but we just kind of have to see because it costs a lot of money to do that. Notepads first. So let's get to packing. Getting this business launched has been a huge dream of mine for a really long time, like years. I've been doing other things, of course, but this has always been in the back of my mind and something that I knew I would tackle one of these days. Well, that day, that time is now. I talk about dreaming big and setting goals and creating a vision to live a life that makes you happy. I also talk a lot about getting your dreams and putting them into actual goals and then creating a game plan to get those goals onto your actual to-do list. And for me, my dream, my vision is now on my to-do list. This is the phase that I'm in right now. I'm proud, I'm excited, I'm a little anxious, but mostly I am excited. And I also know that the anxiousness comes only from knowing that I have a lot of work ahead of me over these next few months, but I'm also very much enjoying taking my vision and putting it into action. First things first, of course, and our initial launch is my main priority, especially this upcoming week. I've pretty much cleared the decks. Next phase is working on the website and getting it up and running. But I cannot wait to get these into your hands. Of course, if using a productivity focused weekly planner and a daily to-do list, if that's your jam, you are going to love these. So my planners have been in the making for many years. It's been a mainstay tool that I have tweaked up, and in my opinion, my humble opinion, I feel like I have perfected this system. I have raised kids into adulthood. I have been teen mom and all the things while building a business. I built a 6-figure medical billing business from scratch, from the floor up. I've been a leader in the network marketing arena. So I know a lot about time management, and I've learned so much over the years. And now I'm building my passion project from the ground up. I've never been more stressed. I've never been more in debt. But most importantly, I've never been more excited for the future ahead. We've got the shopping lists all redone, and this one did not pass quality control. We're a little bit dented right here. So I had ended and I had one magnet left, and I was like, no. I knew that I would have then missed one, but I didn't. I had pulled one and I threw it on the bed just off to the side, so I totally forgot about it, but haha. Okay, shopping list done. So now we are going to do the daily to-do list next. Since I already have these out, we'll just continue with this size. One of my favorite parts of this process has been creating the branding. I'm very particular, so not only do I want things to be great quality, but I also want things to be pretty. I also know that I have to keep the budget in mind because no one's gonna pay for a $50 notepad just because I want it to be packaged up in the most beautiful way. But even so, I have a specific look and feel that I want associated with my products. So over these last few months, I've tried different vendors, packaging materials, and now that I've created the partnerships and I have established my cohesive branding vibe, if you will, and it's all physically here in bulk, I am so ready for this launch. And, you know, of course I worry, do I have enough? Did I get too much? Is no one going to love these as much as I do? All questions that I think about every day, but I'll never know if I don't try. Another thing that I truly believe in is that the regret of not trying something because of fear of the unknown is not the life that I want to live. Always remember that there is no failing if you learn from the experience. Tweak up your process and always try again, especially if it's been something that's a whisper in your ear for a really long time. Try it. And yeah, there may be people who don't support what you're doing or who think that you're wasting your time and money, but if you stick with it long enough, you're gonna find your tribe and the people who do support you and love what you've created. We are stocked up. I love just seeing them up there, seeing them right there. It makes me so happy. So stay tuned. Our goal launch day is gonna be on Saturday, April 15th, 2 p.m. Central Time. So look out for that. I will absolutely post here with you guys and show and tell you exactly where that's going to be. And don't forget, I go live every Saturday. It's going to be our third one this upcoming Saturday, and I'm going to explain exactly how to use our weekly planner page, how to use the to-do list, our daily to-do list. So many fun things, so many ways to use it. Such a great tool to have to be productive every single day. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I am like jumping out of my skin with excitement, and this was a huge step in getting everything packaged up, stickered up, so I can't wait for launch day. All right, guys, thanks for spending this packing day with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.